You may have taken on a role as a worship leader in your local church. You might have a great voice, you might have a great upfront presence in front of people, and you might have a great heart for worship. But as you've been going about it, you've been recognizing, gosh, what I'm doing is having an impact on people way more deep than I thought. What I'm doing is training people, setting people up for something, and you're starting to feel the gravity of what you're doing as a worship leader. And maybe you're getting that itch that there's something more deep that you need to be reflecting on, something more clear that you need to be thinking about, something more purposeful that you need to be doing. What we hope is to reframe the role of what you're already doing in and around being a pastor. Once you wrap your mind and your heart around the gravity of this role, you're going to be able to do your job a little bit more faithfully in a way that you're going to recognize impacts people around you. Ready or not, you're a pastor. My name is Zac Hicks. This is my masterclass on pastoral theology for worship leaders.